Two, one, start. Ninth pre-competitive skill test. In the Defense Ministry, we have got a financial advisor who keeps a strict watch over these things. Full stop. My friend said that we were sending much money. Full stop. As a matter of exactitude, that is not quite correct. Full stop. I think if you only take the venues, then it may be about 40%. Full stop. But that makes no difference, because if any necessity arises, I am sure that Parliament would provide the necessary funds. Full stop. So it is not 50%, rather it is substantially much less than that. Full stop. He added that in terms of investment in Pakistan, China is the past and we US are the future. Full stop. It also prevents the groups from reaching a compromise. Full stop. New paragraph. When the Foreign Office spokesperson was asked to comment, she said that Pakistan does not believe in zero-sum relationships, ties with both the US and China are important, and that China is an all-weather strategic cooperative partner of this country. Full stop. While cooperation and investment from all quarters are important, the US should know that this amount is not exactly a princely sum that will convince Pakistan to change its geostrategic moorings. Full stop. Indeed, balancing ties with the two global powers is not an easy task, but Pakistan must keep a few things in perspective while updating its foreign policy. Full stop. Certainly, ties with the US should be deepened, but not at the cost of any other country. Full stop. New paragraph. Moreover, Pakistan's primary focus should be its immediate vicinity. Full stop. Gunfire filled the rarefied air of Karachi's upmarket DHA on late Thursday night as a clash between two groups from the Bugti clan left 5 dead and 2 critically injured. Full stop. A case was registered on both behalf of the state, which the police believe, will convey a strict message to both sides that such an act is not acceptable. Full stop. The question then is, can the state bell such powerful cats? Question mark. Although accompanied by much shock and outrage, the bloody episode is a case study in the dark side of privilege and the socio-political compulsions to accumulate weapons backfire. Full stop. The rule for peace and safety is clear, that guns do not curtail crime. Full stop.